Hey everybody, here I am at 292 Willington Hill Road. This is going to be coming soon, starting tomorrow, and then live next week. So I'll be putting it up on the MLS with some photos tonight. So let's go in and check it out. So the homeowner's done a lot of work on this property. New flooring, freshly painted. Did some work in the kitchen. Fresh subway tiles, beautiful cabinets. Nice dining room. Subway tiles, beautiful kitchen, a beautiful bedroom. All right, so they're going to be finished painting in here and doing the baseboards and everything before we list. But just wanted you guys to see the bedrooms first. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, nice sized bedroom. I'll show you guys a lot. All right. Nice sized lot. You see quite a bit of distance before you get the road. You walk around the back, you can see it goes pretty far back. We got a nice fire pit over here to the right. Nice sitting area. All right, guys, that's it. 292 Willington Hill Road. Here we are. I'll be going live by next week. Really cute home. All right, guys.